beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi, pronounce it however you may. It doesn't really matter. So today me and my 6-head over here are bringing you guys this tutorial today. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this high bun on 4C type hair. So if you want to see how I achieve it, please keep on watching. Okay, so I've just recently taken my hair out of cornrows and I'm going to start off with my hair like this. We're gonna need like a hard bristle detangling brush, definitely some scrunchies. I like using the bigger scrunchies and I like 2 of them, and white tooth comb, toothbrush to lay them edges, girl, and eco styler gel. And then I'm also just applying like my homemade oils like mixture to my hair, just because my hair is so dry. I'm so sure y'all can see that because I just got it out of cornrows. So I pretty much apply the oils all over my hair to start off with, just to, you know, make sure it looks a little moist and like healthy, you know, because all right, so now I'm going in with my eco styler gel and I'm pretty much just gonna apply that all over like the perimeter of my hair. This will help like make your high puff like look more sleek and like snatched, you know. You don't want like flyaways, so this will definitely help. And eco styler gel works like best for me, or sometimes I use the other gel I showed in my other tutorial. I can't quite remember the name, but yeah, either of those two. I think it's the Mega Hold LA Pro or something like that. And now I'm taking my detangler brush and I'm just using this to brush down the areas that I applied the gel. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that scrunchie on my neck or hairband or whatever and continue the process. So now I'm taking the smaller of the two. I'm going to use that first to just kind of push my hair up together. I like using 2 because the second one is more of an elastic band and it lets me fold it over. So that second fold is really going to like snatch my hair together and make the look come together. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell the difference, but using that first one, it wasn't as tight, it wasn't as slick, but then as soon as I apply the other band, it definitely like sleeked up. So now my hair is up in a high puff. Everything else I'm doing now is just to beautify it and make sure it, you know, it looks nice, cute, hydrated, you know, like take away. So I'll just apply more oil to it and trying to brush it out, trying to like style it to the shape that I want. I don't usually like my high puffs looking like really messy, so I try to give them like fluff them out and then like pat them to a particular shape that I like. I usually like going for more like circular. Of course it's not going to be perfect, but you know. And then ladies, we are on to our edges, okay? Because you know, you don't want to like have your puff looking all sleek and then like I got like a 6 head. So whenever I don't lay my edges, y'all, it's too much. So I go ahead and lay my edges. I pretty much just take like my toothbrush and try to comb out to see what little baby hairs that I have. And then I go in with my eco styler gel and just slick and swoop that baby hair down, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you guys want to see more natural hair tutorials from me, please let me know. Like this video if you do. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next one, God willing. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.